to freefocusdance.com. I'm Bboy Push. You're about to learn how to do a basic knee shuffle. Alright, so for a basic knee shuffle, pretty standard stuff. You can do this if you just started out. It's a pretty cool move. Will probably take a little bit of effort if you just started. But if you're athletic, do some squats and stuff like that. Run maybe. This should be pretty straightforward. But we'll take a little bit of work and a little bit of practice to make this look really nice. So we can get to our knees, and my knees in the back here are toes into the floor. So I don't want to sit like this. Okay, not for right now. We're gonna try to have our toes pointed into the floor. Okay, this will allow us to relax back and get to our toes. Okay, right foot up. We're going to replace our knee with this knee. So this knee's going to come to the floor, and this one's going to come up, just like it was in the front. Okay? So knees together, toes in the wind, toes on the floor, and we're going to bring our right foot up, and we're going to place our knee down, and we're going to place this foot just like this one is right now. So place down, and place the other one up. We should be 180. We're going to do this again. So place the knee in, foot comes up, knee goes down, and the other knee comes up. We're going to face 180. The knee comes and relaxes. Remember, toes underneath us so we can move. We don't want like this. Toes in, right foot up, switch, and relax. Right foot up, switch, relax, right up, switch, relax, right up, switch, relax. Okay, we're going to try to do this, and we can actually use our knees a little bit to help push off the floor to make this a little bit easier. So, right up, and push our right foot down, and that will push our other leg up, together. And you can see how I'm going to use my knee a little bit to spin. This will help that momentum so that I can place my foot up. Okay? So we're going to go together, right foot up, spin with our knee, leg comes up, together, and you can see this is going to make a circle a little bit. See this circular motion? Flip. Okay? Right knee up, circular, and shuffle it. Okay? So we're going to try to make this look like a one circle instead of steps. Right now we're going on step, 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 step. We want to make this look like more of a one motion kind of thing. So that's going to use our knees to help us twist and making a more circular motion. So instead of just up like this, we can use our hip and try to go into the circle, the direction we're going. So counterclockwise, switch. And as soon as I switch, my leg wants to turn. Okay? So switch, turn. And knee comes up. Okay? This is hurting my knees. Alright. Okay? And you have a little knee shuffle. Okay? So if you're in some footwork, you can bring your knee in, shuffle up, switch, and that's it. Very simple, basic knee shuffle. I'm Bboy Push. This is freefocusdance.com. I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to freefocusdance.com. I'm Push. I'm going to teach you how to do the coffee grind. Alright, so coffee grinder is a very, very basic move. And a lot of kids love this move. A lot of beginner students love this move. It looks really cool. I use it so much. A lot of b-boys will use it. It's a very common move and easy to do. What we're going to do is think about a circle around our body. So if you're right-handed, you're most likely you'll be using your right foot. So we're going to think about a circle around our body, and we're going to try to hop over our leg by lifting our other leg up while we're in the footwork position. So we're going to get into a squat, and we're going to place our left hand down. So squat, left hand down. You can place your knee down for now just to be comfortable. Eventually you'll lift it off the floor. Bring your right leg out, and for now you can just make a circle with your leg. So outright, make a circle until it comes forward. Right, so right leg out and make a circle until you're in the center. Switch to your other hand, and we're gonna bring that foot in, close it in, and here comes the tricky part. We're gonna try to hop over this leg, but instead of hopping out, we're just gonna try to hop up and sweep that leg under. A common thing is most people want to jump over the leg, and that's not the right way. You won't be able to continue the motion. So make sure you're hopping up, just like this. You're gonna hop up with your knees. Okay, so squat, left hand down, opposite leg out. We're gonna make a circle. Halfway through, switch our hand, bring that leg in, hop over, straight up. We can relax back onto that squatting leg, switch our hand again, and continue the motion. So now we're in step one. Continue that circle, forward, switch, bring in, hop, switch. Remember to be in this squat position. Sweep. Once you're halfway, switch, bring that foot in, hop, try to relax into that, switch, and continue. Okay, we're gonna try to do this and stay in one direction. Okay, so this move, you gotta find the pattern of the hop. And this is all about switching from side to side. When I switch to one side, I wanna lean my weight so I can lift my body on my hand just a little bit. So squat, left down, right out, swing to the center. When I switch to my right, I can try to use that just to get you see how I can hop my leg up straight, because I'm gonna place my weight on my right. That allows me to sweep that leg through. And then once I sweep it through, relax onto that squat and other hand. Now the foot's in the back. You can continue the circle, lift. Okay. So you want to lift and sweep through. And then once that lift is easy and you're sweeping through, try to keep your hands close together. You don't want them going out here. You want them just right between your legs, okay? So as I swing, arm right in the pocket, swing, and my other arm, hands coming down right in front. So when I sweep, it's doing this. Over, right straight down. I don't want to go all the way over here or out here. I want down. Okay. So very simple move. Practice it a bunch. Takes a little bit to get used to, but you can do it. Just practice. Start off with our feet apart, and we are going to bring our. Alright, so we are gonna. Alright, welcome to freefocusdance.com. I'm Push, and you're gonna learn how to do the knee slide. Alright, so this knee slide is probably different than what you are thinking of. This is the knee slide I came up with. Very basic, very easy, anyone can do it. Takes a little bit of finesse to make it look good, but here it is. You can do it, and it's a great, great transition from top to bottom. If you are breaking, really good to have a lot of different transitions to get down with. Start with our feet apart, knees over our toes. Nice, comfortable position. We don't need to be too wide. We don't need to be together. Just a nice, comfortable position. What we're going to do is we're going to take our right knee and on our right toe, and we're just going to place it inwards, okay? And then we're going to place it onto the ground. So our knee is going to touch the ground, toe pivots inwards, knee comes to the ground, okay? One more time, comfortable position, knees over the toes, right foot, twist in. I can also pivot if I need to, if I need some space with my other leg. So I pivot, knee comes down, and here's the trick. We're going to keep our toe bent so we have grip on the floor. This is not a lot of grip, so I want to have my toes staying on the ground. So the knee comes in, touch the floor, and now I'm going to use this foot to push. So I'm going to push off the floor with this foot and slide my knee outwards. I'm not really going to slide it straight back. I'm going to try to slide at an angle. So a little bit backwards and a little bit to the right side. So I have this angle. So I can use my toe as a grip and as a pivot. So I can pivot this foot. So knee in to the floor. I can put my weight onto my left leg, into my toe, and then I'm going to push this foot out, and that's going to push my knee, pivoting from this toe, and I can come straight out, and take my hand and place it on the floor. So it's going to look like this. Knee in, push out, pivot until this is straight. Place your hands, and you can place your other hand on your hip or your head or whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm just going to place it on my hip for now. We're going to do it from the top a little bit quick. Knee in. Okay, right knee comes in, like the stanky leg, you know, a little stanky leg in there. Knee to the floor, push off this foot, pivot, and aim at an angle so that you can get a slide out and place your hand on your head. So it's going to look like this. Okay, so advance it, and you can use it within a set, make it look a little bit different to get that. It's easy to remove this right foot because you have your hand down and weight on your left. You can pick it up into a freeze, slide up,